Mangana Uchimbi atat isote kilakan Uchimbi atat isote kitilakan Uchimbi atat amam atat kinangom ulul malembe kinangom
Welcome, Gizambote. We're going to learn Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele Gizambote vomuzitala una kwenda kundako nana vomukingelezo tufovele uono lena kwanisoneka muna Kikongo. Tutondele. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. Tutondele. I need to unmute you, I think, yes. Thank you. Welcome. Dr. David, we miss you. Yeah,
Long
okay.
time.
Yeah. Let me just go. We're going to try out numbers. Tatale, numbers. Tatale, 1 to 10, please.
Yes. Mosi,
Pavala.
Zola,
Sorry, 0 to 10.
0, okay.
Pavala.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Fua, Kumi.
Wow, well done. Wow, bravo. Nengo tariwa.
Mpavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Yeah, thank you. Tata David, please.
Yeah, I still need these in front of me.
Yeah, you have a very good like your shirt, no?
Oh,
T-shirt.
yeah.
Can we see can you show us the main picture?
Oh, with Republic of Congo on it? Sure.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, bravo.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Congo with
Wow.
K.
Oh,
The
that's
right
big. Wow. Wow,
Yeah.
where did you buy it?
I found it online somewhere
Okay.
from Kinshasa.
Okay, thank you. That's good. We'll talk later then. Offline. Thank you. Yes. Okay, Tata, Alan, can you try the tens? Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay.
Kumi, yeah.
Makumole, Makuzole.
Matatu.
No, I'm sorry.
Matatu.
Yeah, Makuma. Say that again.
Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu.
Yeah, Makuma Tatu, Makuma Ya, Makuma Tanu,
Yes.
Makuma Sambanu, Lu Sambwadia, Lunana, Luvwa, Kumi.
Kama. Wait there. Then go to the
I'm supposed to do the tens, okay.
Kumi, I'm going to help you. Kumi.
Okay. Kumi, Makumole, Makuma Tatu, Makuma Ya, Makuma Tanu, Makuma Sambanu, right? Then Lu Sambwadia.
Well done.
Nana, Luvwa, and
Kama. Wow, thank you very much. Okay. Kama is easy. Hundreds. Kama. Up to 500. That, Alan.
Okay.
Kama.
Zole, Kama Tatu, Kama Ya, Kama Tanu.
Well done. Carry on, please. Nengwa. After Kama Tanu.
Kama Sambanu, Kama Sambwadia, Kama Nana, Kama Voa, and Fundi Dimusi.
Funda. Yeah, Funda, either Funda Dimusi. Wow, well done. So you know your number. Then thousands easy. Let's just say that Tata David, let me just put display it. 100 just, I mean, 100, no, thousands. Funda di mosi, mafunda mole, mafunda matatu, so on. Yeah, let me try to share quickly for to help Tata David. It is hot in London today.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's been very hot here too.
I really miss the heat. Really miss it.
We have Kama there, yeah? Tata David, yeah?
Right, there we go. Kama Zole, Kama Tatu, Kama Ya, Kama Tanu, Kama Sambanu,
Kama
Samwadia, Kama Nana, Kama Vua, and then 2000s it's Funda di Mosi.
Yeah.
Funda di Mosi is one.
Yeah, Funda, you can just say Funda or Funda di Mosi. Mosi is one, remember? Yeah. Somebody, same thing. You say potato, I say potato.
Sure.
Same thing. Okay. The thousands, 1,000, Funda di Mosi, then 2,000, Mafunda Mole, 3,000, Mafunda Matatu. That, Alan, can you carry on? Mafunda Matatu, 3,000, then 4,000.
Mafunda
Maya.
Mafunda Maya. Mafunda.
Okay. This is the easiest one, I think. Tutondele. Let us go. We're going back to the main lesson. Thank you very much. That was good. Very good. Let me try to share my file. So we're going to do lesson 4, section 4. Yes. Yeah, well done. Kikongo. Yes. Okay. I mean, to save time, go straight to the lesson. Okay, Tata Allen, Nufuete Kutulanda. I keep saying that because I keep saying that we have a common denominator in our language. As any language, variants.
Okay.
Anyway, the word variant means variance anyway. So, but we have something in common. Long vowel, see?
Okay.
In terms of tonality, tone, each region, they have their own.
So it's Nufuete
Kutulanda.
Nufuete Kutulanda. You are to follow us. Diambote Tusinga Kunulanda. Very well, we'll follow you.
Thank you. Dr. Davidi, please.
Fuente Kutukila, you ought to visit us. Jambote, Tusinga Kunukuyila. Very well, we'll visit you.
Tutondele. Nengotariwa.
Nufuete kutuyizila. You ought to get us. Diambote Tusinga kunuyizila.
Yizila.
Kunuyizila, sorry.
Sorry. Tatale.
Nufuete Kutulonga. Diambote Tusinga Kunulonga.
Singa Kunulonga. This NU, remember this one, second plural. Remember Tata Devi, Second plural TU.
Mm-hmm.
Tata Allen, remember TU is
Yes,
which person?
we, right?
Well done, yes. Longer to teach. How do you say teacher in Kikongo?
You said longer.
Longi.
Longi. The
Longi, yes.
person.
Well
Okay.
done. No fuete. Long. I can't even remember who was the last person. Okay, then go tell you, please.
Nufuete kutuyindula. You ought to remember us. Diambote tusinga kunuyindula.
Well
Very
done.
well.
Sorry. Nufete kutuyindula. Well done. Tata Allen, please.
Nufuete kutusa
Samunuina.
Kutu samuwina.
Yes.
Diambote tusinga kunu samuwina.
I know it's confusing, but this is what the linguists are saying. Kikongo linguists said that we should keep it like this. This is long. Too long.
Yeah.
Basically, you could say KU, then space, TU space. Because here the verb just samuna. The verb. To announce, to tell. That's all this too long. Okay, anyway. We have to follow the experts. To trust them. We need to trust them. That's what they have you.
Nufuete kutuwana. Nufuete kutuwana. You ought to meet us. Jambute. Tusinga kunuwana. Very well, we'll meet you.
Tutondele. Here, kutuwana literally means fun. Ngo tell you, please.
Nufuete kutuvubila. You ought to baptize us. Diambote tusinga kunuvubila. Very well,
Vubila.
baptize you.
Thank you very much. We're done for today. Let me just see if I can ask a question. Tata Allen, be ready. I'm going to puke on it, Tata Allen.
It's okay. Nufuete.
Now, I'm going to ask a question.
Okay.
And you, let's say you want to say, I need to follow you. You as a single, not you many. You need to remove NU. How do you make this first person? There's I think Tata David knows.
Oh, you put it.
Remember how to make it the first person? Tata Allen. First person in Kikongo is always we have a tone, nasal, M-O-N, fuete. Fuete.
Is it just fuete or is it fuete?
No, you, you many, second plural. The question I'm asking, I mean, I'm trying to say, if you are you,
just
you as
the M, right?
Yes, fuete means
the nasal M.
Okay, I got it.
Fuete. Let's say I want to follow you, Tata, and you sing one person. Fuete kulanda. We remove two there. All right, Nengo Tadiwa.
Yes.
Let's call it a day. Any questions?
So when are we gonna learn the verbs by themselves? Just the verbs only. Like the different types of verbs.
1 minute, please. Verbs.
Is that later on?
Yeah, we learn the verbs as we go along. I mean, because it's Bantu language, or let's say special case Kikongo, the way we teach verbs, we have to learn within context of
Okay. Yeah.
a sentence. Otherwise, I mean, okay, I won't say much there today. You know, this is a Bantu language. This the way we do things. Because if you can learn verbs, but we have verbs, of course, but what you're doing is good because you learn. As Professor Hazokata said that this course designed for you, we're going to help you to speak, not to know about the language. It's good to know verbs. Okay, that's fine, but it's better like this. We have books, but many books are in Portuguese. I mean, the recent books are in Portuguese. In Angola, could buy it. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
I'm saying Tata Allen, what are you going to say to me? You are going Tata
Sala Kiambote.
Salagambote, yes and no. Tata David, why am I saying that? Yes and no, Tata David.
No?
You might say Wenda Kiambote to us, but we would say Sala Kiambote as Alan did.
Oh, sorry,
to
Tata
you.
David. Miss, can you say that again, please?
Yeah, if you were saying goodbye to us, I believe you would say Wenda Kiambote. We would say Sala Kiambote to you, just like Alan did.
Yeah, that's the question I'm asking Tata Allen.
Yeah, you know, I'm thinking in English, I would say, well, you know, like, well, if you were translating it, it's stay well. Or I guess I can say goodbye, but I'm assuming you're saying goodbye to me. So then I'm saying, you know, stay well. So Sala Kiambote or
Yeah, you are right. You are right, Tata Allen, Salagambote, but
Sala Kiambote.
yes, in this case, you say Nusalagambote. What would you say
No,
Nusalagambote?
Sala Kiambote.
What would you say that instead of Salagambote?
Oh, because I'm addressing you all.
All of us. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
No, I'm asking me. You say you're addressing me. You would say no. What would you say no? You have to say no.
Oh, because of respect. Because
Well
I'm saying
done.
it's an older Mbuta.
Yeah, well done.
Okay,
African way, see?
Yes, yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, Nwenda Gambote, Tutondele.
Tutondele. Kiambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Yeah, Nusala Kiambote.
Thank you, bye.